Aloha, my friend. This is Billy Wiggly, and today we're at my second favorite beach in all of Hawaii, Mahalapu Beach, on the south side of Kauai, Hawaii. Right next to the town of Koloa, which I consider my hometown here in Hawaii. Just like in Excel, there's a specific cell that I like to go home to, and that's cell A1. Whenever you're working within Excel, any one of your spreadsheets, and you want to navigate back to cell A1, all you need to do is press CTRL HOME, and bam, there you are, back at cell A1. I wish in real life I could just press CTRL HOME, and then bam, here I am at Mahalapu Beach in Kauai, Hawaii. Remember, my friends, don't get mad, get skills. Aloha.